Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is a powerful, cloud-based customer service software designed to streamline your support operations. It helps businesses of all sizes manage customer interactions, automate tasks, and improve overall customer satisfaction. You can centralize all customer communications, ensuring no query goes unanswered. It's an essential tool for delivering excellent support. Once you have your account, the first step is setting up your help center. This involves customizing its appearance to match your brand, adding essential articles to your knowledge base, and configuring your support channels. You will also add your team members as agents and assign them to specific departments, ensuring a smooth workflow for incoming requests. This foundational setup is crucial. The core of Zoho Desk is ticket management. Customer inquiries, whether from email, chat, or social media, arrive as tickets in your dashboard. You can easily assign these to the right agent or department. Agents can then respond using predefined templates or by referencing the knowledge base, ensuring consistent and efficient support. This process helps maintain high service standards. Zoho Desk offers powerful automation features to save time, like setting up rules for automatic ticket assignment or escalation. You can also generate comprehensive reports to track key metrics such as response times, resolution rates, and agent performance. Furthermore, it integrates seamlessly with many other business applications, creating a unified ecosystem for your operations. These tools enhance efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.